Good morning, seventh grade. Today you will be doing characteristics of organisms digital notes. And you've done this before, so let's take a look. You're going to need to look at the essential question here and answer questions 1 and 2 on the left. This gives you some information you need to read. Now you're going to read this and then on this side and then answer this. Explain your answer. I will be grading these. Make sure you put good answers in, please. Same thing here. And you're going to talk about, you're going to think about how food web can help identify autotrophs and heterotrophs. So you need to really understand what an autotroph and a heterotroph is, so you can answer this question completely. You're going to read this and this, read this. There's a lot just to read here. Now, you're going to now classify prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Some of these might go in the middle of the Venn diagram. Some may go just under prokaryotic. Some may go under eukaryotic. Take your time, do this correctly. Okay, you're going to read this and you're going to answer this question. You're going to read this and you're going to answer the question. Read the question, go back into the notes, and give me the correct answer. You're going to read this, read the question, go back into your notes to get the correct answer. Okay, now you're going to build these cells. You're going to drag and drop into the correct cells. So it says use the shapes and images on the left to build a prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. So you need to do some labeling, and here are the labels. And when finished, provide an example of each type of cell. So you're going to tell me a type of prokaryotic cell and a type of eukaryotic cell. Okay, this talks about classifying organisms into kingdoms, and it's going to go through the different kingdoms. Here you have to answer a question, so make sure that you're answering that from the notes given. Talks about some more of the kingdoms. Now you're going to answer this question about fungi. Then we're into the plant kingdom, animal kingdom, and you're going to see if you can crack the code. You're going to need to identify which characteristic is being described in each statement. So you're going to slide the word over to reveal a number. You'll need the number for the secret code. So, for example, membrane-bound nucleus, multicellular, advanced. Example, all plants and animals. Well, we know that those are eukaryotic cells. So you'll click on that and you'll get it, so you can drag it and you'll pull it over and there's a number. You'll put the correct secret number there. You make sure you're reading through these. If you need to go back into the notes, do that. But you want to make sure that that code is correct. Now you are going to drag all these into the correct kingdom. You may have to go back into the different kingdoms to remember. It says some characteristics belong in multiple kingdoms, so there's repeats. Notice there are multiple multicellular, multiple prokaryotic, multiple eukaryotic. So you're going to drag and drop those into the correct boxes. And you're going to answer for the check for understanding questions and anything that you still don't understand. So you will have today and tomorrow to complete this assignment. It will be due on Wednesday. If you have any questions, as always, let me know. Have a great day.